Hannah was childless. And the story is that Peninnah gave Hannah a lot of sorrow. Peninnah would make Hannah feel bad about the fact that she didn't have children, and that's what these verses in the beginning of Samuel report is that Peninnah was rather harsh with her rival, the other wife of Elkanah. We do several things with these verses. We also look at some vocabulary and try and find that vocabulary within the verse. And that's the process we're going to go through now. We're going to let Joseph demonstrate how that works. Joseph, we're going to take a look at the vocabulary first, and then we're going to find those words inside the verse. Could you help us with that kindly?
Yes. We do have Isha for a woman or a wife. For the case of a man, it will be Ish.
Correct. Well done.
Now, also down there we have an Natan, which means to give.
Nathan.
Natan.
Nathan.
Yes. We also have Zavach, which means sacrifice. We have Yom for day. We have Ben for son, and Manna for count or portion.
Nice. Let's go one word at a time. Let's find Isha. So this is challenging because it's not going to be exactly the way we see it in red, Aleph, Shin, Hey. We may have to manage with just two of the letters and some changes. Can you find Isha in our verse, Joseph?
Yes, in the second line, the last word, we have Ishto.
Very nice. That means his wife. Nice. How about Natan?
So the to means his.
Right. That's right. That's exactly right.
Ishto, his wife.
Now we're Ishto, his wife. There you go.
Understood.
Yeah.
It's not showing.
Now we're looking for Natan.
Oh, Natan.
It's not showing. Yeah.
I'm able to see Natan. Natan is in the second line, the first word. Venatan.
Right. And the vav means and.
And give.
So Natan means he gave, Vinatan, and give, or and he gave.
And he gave.
In this case, it's talking about and he gave. We're talking about the sacrifices that Elkanah would make, and he would give portions to Peninnah and her children. Let's find the next word, zavach, to sacrifice. Zavach.
Zavach, in the first line, the third word we have Vaiz Bach.
Beautiful. And he sacrificed.
So the shoresh is Zavach.
Yes.
The shoresh is Zavach,
Right.
but the word is Vaiz Bach. So sometimes the dagesh can come in the shoresh.
That's right. That's exactly right. We have the dagesh inside the shoresh, and we also have a shva under the first letter of the shoresh, under the zayin. Vayizbach. And it's the future tense. Well, it's the past tense in this case. Vayizbach, and he sacrificed. Very nice. Gideon, how about you? Would you help us out a little bit with some of these words?
Yes.
How about yom? Can we find yom?
Yeah, in the first line of the second word of the first line.
Very nice.
Hayom.
And we've learned that the ha means the.
Yeah, the day.
The day, that's right. So vayahi hayom means and a certain, it means and the day came, or and a certain day came, or on a certain day Elkanah sacrificed, he made sacrifices. That's how we would understand hayom. Very nice. How about ben, which means son? Can we find instances of ben? Perhaps we'll find masculine and feminine instances.
Yes, in the last line of the second word.
Nice.
Baneha.
Right. And the eha part of it is hers. So that means her sons. In other words, we know that it was Peninnah that had children. Beneha means her sons, Peninnah's sons. Do we have any other instances of ben?
Yeah, yes. The last word of this, the second last word of the last line.
Right.
Uvinoteha.
Beautiful. So this is a couple of lessons. We have benot, which is the feminine plural, means the girls, and the eha, again, is the feminine plural. So boys and her girls all got portions of Elkanah's sacrifice. He would sacrifice, and then he would share the sacrifice with Peninnah and her children. Go ahead and read the verse for us kindly, Gideon. The whole verse now. Vayehi.
Okay. Vayehi hayom vayizbach Elkanah Venatan Lifni Nina Ishto.
Nice.
Ulchal. Yeah, Ulchol, I'm sorry.
That's okay, it's an exception.
Baneha. Uvinoteha. Manot.
Very nice. And it was on a certain day that Elkanah sacrificed, and he gave to Peninnah his wife, and to all her boys and her girls portions. Very nice. Let me read for you verse 5. Ulachana yitain mana achat apayim ki et chana ahev Vadonai v'Hashem sagar rachma. And to Chana, he gave a single portion of a special quality. Ki et Chana ahev, for it was Hannah that, but God had closed up her womb, had made her childless. Now I will give you just a little bit of insight. Actually, I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this for next time. I'm going to save this last bit for next time so I can do it in a nice, slow, measured way for everybody. Let me stop sharing and rejoin the group in the main meeting room so we can be together. Joseph and Gideon, beautiful work, and it seems like and beautiful work, very very nice work for your first lesson. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, right. Maija, it's so great to have you from Finland. I hope you will feel the courage in coming classes to unmute your audio and allow us to work together on some recital. I will be very gentle and patient, and you'll make great progress as one of our other Finnish students is making great progress. So very welcome.